Daddy. Ngayong araw, muling pinili ko ang maglakbay na kasama ka. Tulad ng unang araw na nagsumpaan tayo, 10 taon na yung nakakaraan. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko na-survive ang lahat ng taon nang wala ka sa tabi ko. You've been my rock, my best friend, my barkada, and the love of my life. Sa 10 taon nating pagsasama, maraming pagsubok. Pero sa bawat pagsubok, laging nandyan ka upang magbigay ng liwanag. I'm so thankful for every moment, every laugh, every challenge, every hug, and every kiss.
Narito kayo ngayon upang pagtibayin ang inyong pagmamahalan sa harap ng sambang Kristiyano na natitipon ngayon. Umasa kayo na kami inyong kapiling na maglalakbay sa buhay na haharapin ninyo bilang mag-asawa sa pamamagitan ng paghingi sa Diyos ng panalangin ng kanyang biyaya at pagpapala. Mga minamahal kong mga kapatid, dito po tayo ngayon sa simbahang ito upang atin pong ipagdiwang ang pag-isang dibdib ni na Gino at ni Kay sa sakramento ng kasal. At ang sakramento ng kasal, tandaan po natin, ay ang pag-ibig na binabahagi ni Gino para kay Kay na kanya magiging asawa. At ang pagmamahal naman na iniaalay ni Kay para kay Gino na kanya magiging kabiyak habang buhay.
Talaga.
Okay? Bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Gino na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Gino, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Kay na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
You are more than the man that I married. You are my constant reminder that love is real. And it's worth fighting for. Sa lahat ng pinagsamahan natin, alam ko na mas matibay pa ang magiging future natin.
10 years ago, I promised to love and cherish you, and today, I renew that promise with all my heart. I vow to continue to love, support, and grow with you for all the years to come. Here's to the next chapter of our beautiful journey together.
I vow to continue loving you with all my heart, to stand by you through every high and low, and to always make you feel valued, respected, and cherished. I will be here for you, not just today, but for the rest of our days.
I was made for loving you, even though we may be hopeless, hearts just passing through. Every ball screams, I don't know what we should do. darling, I was made for loving you.
Wow, Jenna, what's this?
What is this?
This is for you. Para may gagamitin ka pang pasok sa office.
Wow! Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, you don't even know that I was made for loving you. I was made for loving you. Even though we may be hopeless, hearts just passing through. Every bone screaming, I don't know what we should do. All in all, we may be hopeless, hearts just passing through. Every bone screaming, I don't know.